Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to recover a locked PayPal account. Sometimes PayPal locks accounts for security reasons, like unusual activity, logging in from a new device, or failed login attempts. While this can be frustrating, the recovery process is simple if you follow the right steps. Start by going to the PayPal login page and entering your email. If your account is locked, you'll see a message telling you to recover access. Click on Having Trouble Logging In or Unlock Account, and PayPal will guide you through security checks. Usually, this means verifying your identity with a code sent to your email or phone number. Enter the code, and once confirmed, you'll be prompted to change your password. If you don't have access to your email or phone, PayPal may ask you to answer security questions or provide other account details. In some cases, you may need to upload an ID or supporting documents to confirm your identity. After you complete the verification, PayPal will review it and restore access to your account. Once you're back in, make sure to update your security settings. Add a strong password, enable two-factor authentication, and keep your email and phone number up to date so you can recover faster in the future if needed. And that's it. Recovering a locked PayPal account just takes a few minutes if you follow the steps correctly. Subscribe to channel for more videos.